Hi everyone, this is Dr. Anna and welcome back to my channel. So today's video is on the topic which is one of the most requested video on my channel, that is about types of braces. So today we are going to discuss about types of braces, cost, and also I'm going to describe about them one by one so that you know which one is best suitable for you. So without further ado, let's get started. So before we start the video, if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please don't forget to hit that subscribe button right now so that it will motivate me to make more videos. So now talking about the braces, there are 5 types of braces. First one is metal braces, ceramic braces, self-ligating braces, lingual braces, and Invisalign braces. And now today I'm gonna add one more braces into this above list, which is insignia braces, which is newer in the market. So we're gonna discuss about each one of them one by one. So now let's talk about metal braces first. So metal braces look something like this, in which both the bracket, which is the part which is attached onto your tooth, and also the wire is both made of metal, so it gives you a metallic smile. And these braces will be visible in your mouth. Even if a person standing from far, they can make out that you have braces. And also this is one of the oldest type of braces, and I think most of us are familiar with this kind of braces, right? And the advantages of this kind of braces is it is believed to be stronger, and the treatment time is also reduced because the treatment is believed to be faster with this kind of braces. So now let's talk about ceramic braces. So ceramic braces look something like this, which is tooth color braces, which is white in color. So if you have aesthetic concern and if you don't want your braces to be seen in public just because of your some professional reason, or it can be personal reason also, then you can go for this kind of braces. So it won't be visible from distance. If a person standing far from you, and they won't be able to make out that you have any braces in your mouth. But in case if a person comes closer to you, if the person is standing right in front of you, then they will be able to make out that you have braces. Okay, so the advantage of these braces is that if you have aesthetic concern and if you do not want your braces to be visible, and the disadvantages with this is that this braces is not as strong as metal braces. There are high chances of breakage, and if it breaks once, you cannot fix it back, which is not same in the case of metal braces. Metal braces can be fixed again and again for 2-3 times at least if it breaks. So you cannot fix this braces back. And one more thing is that while removing the ceramic braces, there are chances that it will damage your teeth because it is highly attached, highly adherent to your tooth. So when you are trying to remove it after your treatment is over, it will chip off your teeth layer that is called as enamel also, along with the braces when you are removing the braces. So that is one more disadvantages related to this braces. Okay. And also tooth movement is also believed to be slower than the metal braces. So the wire in the ceramic braces are actually 2 types. One is plain metal wire, which will look similar to the wire which is used with the metal braces, and another wire is actually coated wire. If you do not want the wire to be visible in your mouth, then the wire will be coated with white material, so it will not be visible in your mouth. Okay. Ceramic braces also, there are varieties of types. So the newer ceramic braces, which is actually newer in the market, which is quite expensive, is believed to have better properties and believed to be stronger than the older kind of ceramic braces. So you can choose accordingly. Next type of braces is self-ligating braces. So how this braces is different from conventional braces is, conventional braces uses small elastics or thin wires to secure the wire and the braces together, to attach the wire and braces together. But in this type of braces, it has self-locking mechanics, so you do not need additional elastics or wire to attach both the braces and the wire together. So it has self-locking mechanics and has various advantages. Like, first is that it is believed that you do not need to get your teeth removed if you are getting this type of braces, because this type of braces will expand your arch, so there will be space created with it. So next is that oral hygiene maintenance is very easy because there are no extra wire or elastics which is attached to your teeth, which can be the major source of bacteria into your mouth. All the kind of braces used to have that elastics which used to turn yellow, which will give unesthetic and ugly appearance after a while. So yeah, these are the few advantages which is associated with self-ligating bracket, which makes it better than the other type of brackets. And self-ligating bracket again is braces, again it is available in metal and ceramic types, and it is costlier than the conventional braces again. So the next type of braces is lingual braces, which looks something like this, which will not be visible in your mouth because it is attached to the inner surface of your teeth. Okay, so it will not be visible in your mouth. So if you have aesthetic concern, and if you are in profession which do not allow you to have braces or wear braces, but you want to improve your smile, then you can go for this kind of braces. But it is so much more expensive than the other kind of braces, okay, which I've already described before. So yeah, it is expensive, but it will be worth it if you have an aesthetic concern. So the disadvantages related to lingual braces is that since it is placed in the inside surface of your teeth, what happens is that there will be formation of ulcers, and there will be discomfort and pain and ulcers for initial few days or weeks, but it will be eventually be fine, so you don't have to worry. But yeah, that is the initial discomfort you will be feeling, and that is the biggest disadvantage of lingual braces. The next type of braces is Invisalign, which is actually invisible braces. So I think most of you have heard about it. If you have not, then I'll tell you what it is. So it looks something like this, and it is actually made of transparent trays, so which you have to wear. So when you go to your dentist and tell that you want braces, what dentist will do is that take impression of your teeth and then make model of your teeth and send it to lab. And they will scan also. There are newer technology in which they will just scan and send that scanning record to the lab, and the lab will fabricate a series of trays which will be given to you by your dentist, and which you have to change. Each tray you have to wear for like 2 weeks and change, and towards the end of the treatment your teeth will improve, and yeah, you will get your dream smile. This is how Invisalign works. So it is actually one of the easiest, if you say, according to the mechanics, but it is again very expensive. Obviously it is very expensive. And another disadvantages related to this lingual and Invisalign system is that if you have complicated teeth, okay, if your problem is very complicated, then it is very difficult to solve with this kind of braces. And if you have a minor problem which you want to be treated with these braces, then it will be easier for you to get best result. But if you have your treatment, if you have major problem, then it will be really difficult to treat with these braces. So the advantages related to Invisalign is that it is comfortable to wear, easy to clean, easy to maintain oral hygiene, and you can eat whatever you want with the treatment going on with Invisalign, because since it is removable trays, you anyway have to remove it while you are eating. So yeah, you will not have any problem eating, chewing or stuff like that. And next thing is that you will not have any problem speaking also. Because it is one of the major problem with the other kind of braces, which will not be a problem in this Invisalign. So the sixth type of braces which I'm going to talk about, which I told which is newer in the market, is called as Insignia bracket. So this type of braces is actually customizable for each patient. So what used to happen before was that we used to use the same wire and same bracket for every patient. It used to be standardized and we used to use it for every patient, okay. But in this type of braces, this is customizable for each patient according to what is there in your mouth, what problem is there in your mouth. So every patient will have his own set of wire and brackets which is made just for them according to what is needed after scanning the model of your teeth, okay. So this is actually customizable braces which is proven to have given the best result, because it is customizable for each patient and it is unique for each patient, okay. So it is again very expensive, because yeah, obviously it is newer in the market, so it is again expensive. So now let's talk about cost of braces. So cost of braces is actually variable, and I cannot tell you that it will be same for every orthodontist or dentist you go to, because it depends on several factors. Okay, like one of which is experience of the dentist, second is the region where the dental clinic is located, third is the complication of your case. Or okay, so first thing which I told is experience of the dentist. So obviously if a dentist orthodontist is very old experienced person, then his charge will obviously will be more than if you are going to a dentist which recently passed out or which recently graduated. Okay, so the next factor which I told is the location of the clinic. Yes, obviously if you are going to a metro city and if you are going to get your braces in a metro city, then the treatment charge will be much higher than if you are going to get your braces in a small town. So next thing is complication of the case. Okay, so what this means is that if you have small problem in your teeth which needs to be corrected, then yeah, obviously the treatment charge will be lesser than if you have more problem in your teeth, because the more the problem you have in your mouth, the more difficult it is to be treated and the more time it will take. So yeah, the treatment charge will be increased if you have complicated teeth or complicated set of teeth. Yeah. So metal braces cost around 15 to 30,000. If you are in city, then it will cost you around 30 to 35,000, and if you are in small town, it will cost around 15,000. Again, it depends on the dentist, as I've already told, and it can vary. So I cannot assure you that it is the exact price, but it is somewhere near to this range. Okay, so the ceramic braces will cost you around 40, 45 or 50,000. Again, it depends on the quality of the braces, what quality of the braces your dentist is using, and again it also depends on the place where you are getting it done. So if it is in city, it will cost you around 45 to 50,000. If it is in small town, it might cost you around 25 to 30,000 or sometimes 40,000 also. So yeah, it is in this range. I cannot exactly tell again. So self-ligation braces will again cost you around 60 to 7,000. Again, depends on the factors I have mentioned, and it is also of different type of brands are available in this, and a few of them are expensive, few of them are cheaper than the other one. So yeah, you have to know about it. Your dentist will tell you better. And again, it is of two types, metal and ceramic. Again, metal will cost little cheaper than the ceramic ones. Okay, so next is lingual braces. Lingual braces will cost you around 1 to 1.5 lakhs. And next is Invisalign. Invisalign, again, there are various company which are providing these clear aligners. So few of them are cheaper, and the Invisalign is the most expensive ones. And Invisalign will cost you around 1 lakh to 2 lakhs to 2.5 lakhs also, and maybe more also, according to the type of cases and again according to the factors I have mentioned before. So yeah, and Insignia also cost around 1.5 to 2 lakhs, and yeah, in that range itself. It is expensive. So this was all about this video. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you have any doubts, you can ask me in the comment section. I will reply to you. And if you have any further doubt which cannot be solved here, you can ask me on my Instagram. My Instagram handle is this, and you can message me there. And if you have any doubts related to your teeth, and if you want to get braces and if you want to get it cleared, then you can send me your photographs on Instagram also. I will definitely tell you whatever I know. So yeah, I hope this video helps. If you like this video, please don't forget to give a big thumbs up, and also like, share and subscribe. And I'll see you guys in my next video, and let me know in the comment section which videos you would like to see next. I'll be making them, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Until then, take care. Bye bye.